As I watched Dr. Burke's video, I found myself becoming more and more frustrated, not with what she was saying, but what I perceived to be a lack of response to the epidemic of toxic stress and adverse childhood experiences. I was shocked at the beginning to hear the high percentage of the population who do have who are growing up with these indicators, these ACEs. I'm fortunate enough that I have zero ACEs, and I've taken the test numerous times, and I thought, I'm really sorry, and I'm not gonna stop and restart this because this is real. I thought the way I grew up was normal, when it turns out it isn't. For, I believe she said 70% of, I don't know if it was 70%. Anyway, I'm sorry. The percentage of children who come from a family where they have at least one ACE, and then the figure was 1 in 8 students have 4 ACEs. And I was thinking about my own classes, and one class of my fifth grade students have 16 kids in it. And so that means 2 of those kids are coming to school every day with 4 or more of these indicators of toxic stress, and this trauma is impacting their life every day, and it's up to us to try to help them overcome this. And as I watched her video, like I said, I started becoming more and more frustrated, because I want to know, why aren't we doing more? If we recognize that this is a national health related epidemic, why aren't we doing something like the war on drugs or the way we fight tobacco use? I think part of it stems from what she said in the video, that we don't want to admit that it's more prevalent than it is. We want to see windows and not mirrors when it comes to these negative behaviors. So if we say it doesn't affect our population, it affects that other population, it's easier for us. I also think as an adult, it's hard for me to tell other adults how they should parent and how they should be raising their children, especially these adults who are dealing with mental health issues, substance abuse and addiction. They probably already feel very judged, and I don't want to come across as judging them and telling them how to parent. But her approach, creating this community center, this holistic approach to treating these kids, it's more than medicating them, and it's educating them, and it's educating the parents. And I think that is paramount, that we need to understand that our behaviors and our actions are affecting and impacting our children, and these are not things that they will shake or get over in the years to come. So her video was really eye-opening, because I look at the way I grew up and I wish that every child had that opportunity. And now I know that I have a large population of students who are faced with this.